Okay, today I've got a special guest with me, my daughter Molly. Now, Molly, how old are you?
I'm 13.
And do you consider yourself an organized 13-year-old?
No comment.
No comment.
I mean, I'm like partially organized. Not really though.
I feel like you're pretty organized for a teenager.
If I had the stuff, I'd be more organized.
Oh, like products? You think you need some products?
I don't know what you mean.
Like organizing products?
Yeah, like the
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, interesting. Now, Molly, tell me, what part of your room are we working on today?
Clothes.
Clothes. Okay. Tell me, what is working with your clothes and what is not working?
Me.
What's that mean?
I don't put them away right.
Oh, interesting. So when we talk about organizing, there are 3 parts of organizing to be successful. The first is having a home for everything. And the second is having a system, knowing what to do when. And the third is having a habit of doing the right thing. So Molly, as you think of those 3 things, which one do you think is failing?
The third and the second and the first.
Ooh, interesting. Okay. Well, I think, why don't you give us a tour of your space and then you and I can talk through next steps.
Okay. Ow.